Hello from Garrett Motors in Coolidge, Arizona. Today I'm going to be going over with you how to Bluetooth connect your iPhone or even Android phone to your GMC or Chevrolet MyLink or IntelliLink radio. So you have two ways that you can get there. First is you can simply click on this red phone icon at the top, or you can click the home button and then the phone button right there. So they both take you to the exact same place. In order to pair your phone, you're going to have to click this pair device, and that puts it in search mode. And now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go onto your cell phone. So if you have an iPhone, you'll click on the settings tab right here, and then that brings this up for you. So the Android phones are pretty similar also. Then you want to click on Bluetooth, and you're going to need to turn your Bluetooth on. So if that is a white box, that means that Bluetooth isn't on. And so you click it. Whenever it turns green, that means that it's in Bluetooth search mode. And now that these both can communicate with each other, so we have the GMC IntelliLink, so that would be the one we want to pair it to. It will come up as Chevrolet MyLink if it was a Chevrolet. So you're going to click on that here, and then they both pop up with the same code. So from there you're going to want to click pair, and then on the screen you're going to want to click yes. So from here they are successfully paired now. This little button will pop up to allow contacts. That will allow it to, if somebody calls you, their name will pop up on the screen. So I always click allow, that way I know who's calling me and it's not just popping up as the phone. And then from there you just click OK, and then it says that it's successfully paired there, and everything will be working through the Bluetooth now. And that's our how-to video today. Thanks for watching.